What happens if a book or article is not available? In this tutorial, you'll be shown how to use the hold and interlibrary loan functions to receive the book or article that you're interested in. In my first example, here is a book that I'm interested in reading. Listed here, it shows that this book is available at 2 public libraries. I'm going to select Place Hold to use the hold function. Next, I'm going to type in my library card number and PIN number. If you do not know your PIN number, you can get your PIN number at the library circulation desk. I'm going to select Login. It's going to ask me where I want to pick up the book. I want to pick up the book at the Delaware Tech Georgetown Campus Library. And then I select Place Hold. This screen tells me that my place hold has been successful. I'll receive an email when it's available for pickup. In my next example, I'm going to show you how to get an article that's not available full text in one of the databases. So I'm interested in this article. I go to the Student Resources page and look under Library and select Interlibrary Loan Request. This screen comes up. It automatically populates my name and email. I can either request a book or an article. In this example, I'm going to request the article, so I fill out the information from the article citation. And at the bottom here, I click on Submit Request. Since we are requesting the article from another library, sometimes it could take up to 2 weeks for us to receive the article. So it's always a good idea to start your research early. This form is showing me that my form has been submitted, and I will receive the article by email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the library.